Hello, tuloy na natin yung book ha. Okay, The Courage to be Disliked. So, ito yung setup ng story. Okay? Bali, may isang philosopher, tapos mayroong young man. Yung philosopher, ang paniniwala niya, life is very simple. Simple lang ang buhay, at lahat tayo pwedeng maging masaya. Yung happiness is just around the corner. So, anytime na kailangan mong maging masaya, hugutin mo lang. So, yun yung paniniwala ng philosopher. Tapos, merong young man or yung youth, no? Totally opposite ng paniniwala niya. Hindi siya naniniwala doon sa sinasabi ng philosopher. For him, hindi totoo na simple lang ang buhay. Hindi rin totoo na lahat tayo pwede maging masaya. At dahil dyan, he's very curious. Gusto niyang ma-meet yung philosopher. So, dun mag-start yung story. Sa conversation ng philosopher at nung young man or nung youth. Hanggang dito na muna. Tuloy natin sa next video. Thank you everyone for your support. God bless you all. See you again on the next one.